Hello everyone, myself Tanvi Patel, working as Assistant Professor in Computer Engineering Department in Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Our subject is Effective Technical Communication and we have continued with our first unit, that is Dynamics of Communication. So today our last topic is Intercultural Communication. First, you have to know about the culture understanding. Understanding culture is critical for educators because our individual culture orientation is present in every interaction. Culture is a combination of thoughts, feelings, attitudes, beliefs, values, and behavior patterns that are shared by racial, ethnic, religious, or social groups of people. To understand people's behavior, to prevent misunderstanding, to respect the difference between culture, to communicate the right message to the right people, that is your culture understanding. It is helpful if you can think about culture in the following 5 ways. Is learned, culture is shared, culture is dynamic, culture is systematic, and culture is symbolic. Interact with people who come from diverse cultures. This is one of the ideal way of learning and understanding other people's culture. One way of achieving this is going for international camps. The advantage of attending these camps is that you meet people from different countries. If you want to know other people from other diverse, then you have to attend international camps which are allocated or associated in different countries. Not only do you learn about their culture, but you also teach them your culture. If you interact with the people from the other culture, you also learn about their culture and you try to teach them your own culture. Having a one or more interaction with people help you hear their stories firsthand. Take this opportunity to ask questions you may have about the culture and teach them everything they want to know. You can ask questions about their culture and you can teach everything of your culture to them. Benefits of culture. In today's ever changing world, people world over are fast realizing the importance of learning, understanding and appreciating diverse cultures. Why it is necessary? Because it plays a major role in developing communities that excel in problem solving and enhancing varying conditions. First benefit is you get to understand world better. How you get to understand world better? That is, if different culture help you embrace and appreciate people that are different from you. Further, if you more interact with the other different culture people, the more respect and value you learn from them. For example, going for summer camp or holidays are a great way of exposing your children to diverse culture and practices. If you are going on a holidays or summer camp in any other country, then you try to expose their culture and try to learn how they respect or how they treat others with their culture. Whether they will interact with other children from different countries or regions, they will learn something new during that camp. Next is minimize stereotypes. Stereotypes means particular category of a people. When your children learn about people and their different cultures, they will be less likely to classify them depending on stereotypes. Remember, everybody is different and what one person does should be used to define an entire community. Third one, helps prevent and overcome ethnic and racial division. Ethnic, that is cultural group, and racial division means national or tribals, can hurt society. For instance, it could lead to a lack of opportunities, misunderstandings and in the worst case violence. If you go or visit any other country and you do not respect their culture, then there will be misunderstandings between the other peoples of that culture and maybe in the worst case it will be create a war or violence. Next, enhance effective communication. Language is a critical part of human communication. However, it's not the only contributing factor to effect communication. Culture enhances communication in varying ways. For instance, culture can influence speaking tendencies such as figurative language, speed and presentation. Culture also contribute to the way people depict their gesture and body language. Here, how the culture influence speaking tendency means you can see that the language English which is speak in many other countries, however in India we speak very slow and influence way. Whether you visit Canada or UK, you can see that they speak English very fastly. The other people does not understand sometimes, but they speak very fastly. So the enhance of effective communication is culture depends, and how you speak with others that depends on the culture. Next is creates opportunities to meet new people. There are different ways of meeting new people. For instance, participation in different celebrations, attending camps, visit people from diverse countries and celebrate special days. Celebrating special days means every country have their own special days. So celebrating their festival in our country is also one type of opportunity to meet other people. This enables students especially to meet, interact and make new friends. This is an ideal way of expanding a student's social circle and creating room for them to learn about different cultures. Next, exposure to new experience. Children can get exposed through sampling new foods, participating in different culture celebration and listening to stories. Further, engaging in different activities such as art or even learning how to play a new musical instrument. Exposure to new things help children to exposure the world better. You can see that the dance competition, the singing competition or any other competition is now being organized worldwide. So the different people of different countries meet at one place and expose their culture. Next, what is intercultural communication? Intercultural communication is a verbal and non-verbal interaction between people from different cultural background. Basically, inter is a prefix that means between and culture means from a culture. So, intercultural communication is the communication between different cultures. Example, sometimes it is used to describe a single person trying to interact in a foreign environment, but more often it is a two-way street where people from both culture are trying to improve their communication. Means the people from one street, that is one from India and the other from the foreign, they both try to learn their different cultures and try to improve their communication skill. Next, here you can see the example of intercultural communication. The people acting from different sides and passing messages to each other. That is intercultural communication. How you understand the people from other diversity. Next, in other words, it is the process of communicating with people from another culture. Intercultural communication is about much more than just language, since so much of communication is non-verbal. Importance of intercultural communication. People's style of communication is the outcome of the culture in which they have brought up. Verbal aspects include different languages used by different communities, and non-verbal aspect encompasses the volume with which one speaks, the way the emotions are expressed, etc. In viable business surrounding, intercultural communication helps the employee and organization to stand distinct and create their own value in the market. Means the intercultural communication plays the most important role in the organization development, because the employees who are working in the organization, they can create their own value in the market by intercultural communication, by business deals with the other country peoples. Intercultural communication skill help to achieve thoughtful discussions and help with developing business contracts and deal. People who possess such skills are able to boost free flow of communication with the people of different background and culture and have more fruitful formal relation. Intercultural communication plays a significant role in a person's intercultural potential or influence the people's potential to get with the other culture. It plays the major role in one person's life because if he is working as an employee in company, then he can interact with the other company in the foreign country and develop its intellectual communication skill and collaborate with that company and make a bond for his or her company. Thank you.